because we have a very funny man with us. Please welcome Tommy Davidson!
Yo, what's up? What's happening? Happy Black History Month. I'm your host, Tommy Davidson. But of course, you know that's my slave name. Now, tonight I'm here to set the racial record straight. We know that African Americans have come a long, long way with the cutting edge of culture. And it pisses me off when we ain't seen as innovators. I mean, damn, come on, man, give me my props. African Americans have influenced every aspect of American culture, except one. And partners, I think you know what horse I rode in on.
Since MTV and Chicken Fricassee, from Compton to Tennessee, this black man singing country. So don't you dare get mad at me, cause I got the audacity to jamboree to the funky beat and got the nerve to add a little hickory. Now to all that you agree that country music's good for me, it's black eyed peas and collard green. You can even add a little Public Enemy. So don't you dare get mad at me, cause I got the audacity to jamboree to the funky beat in the name of black history. Don't let it scare you. I'm picking up my feet, I'm jamming to the beat. You can best believe it's gonna be sweet tonight.